What's up, guys? You know, I really like the idea of a portable SSD because I can always have the files or a photo archive I need with me. If you're a professional photographer or a videographer, a portable SSD is a must-have for storing, transferring, and backing up large files. Even if you don't take photos or videos professionally, a portable SSD will still be useful, for example, to extend your smartphone's storage. In my opinion, external SSD is a better solution than cloud storage. Wouldn't you agree? The ORICO C10 portable SSD is compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and even iOS devices, but only the latest models with the USB Type-C port. It has a very compact size, as well as a hook that allows you to attach it to your backpack. This portable SSD is available in 4 capacity options, such as 256 gigs, 512 gigs, 1 TB, and 2 TB. I have a 1 TB. The maximum transmission speed is 1000 megabits per second. I will check it out in this video. The price on Amazon starts at just $35, but you will have to pay $118 for the 2 TB capacity. Okay, let's unbox the ORICO C10 portable SSD, take another look at the design, but most importantly, test its data transfer speed. To be honest, I have never heard of this brand before, but the writing on the box says the company is based in China. Inside the box is a portable SSD itself. User manual. And 2-in-1 cable with USB-A and USB-C connector. There's even a 10 gigabits per second logo on the cable. So I think we should start talking about the design of this portable SSD with its size. It is 130 by 33 by 12 mm. The weight is 58 grams. It would be even more compact without the plastic hook, but that is one of its main features. The main body is made of metal. Here we see the ORICO logo and portable SSD label. I don't see a way to take it apart and see what's inside. However, the manufacturer promises some heat dissipation. The bottom has only the USB-C port and the 10 gigabits per second logo. I don't know what else to say about it. The ORICO C10 portable SSD looks nice and it is made with quality. Let's get to the testing. So first I want to test it with my Android phone. As you can see, it is detected as an external device called Realtek USB drive with 1 TB of storage. We can copy any files from the phone to the portable SSD. However, I cannot check its data transfer rate on my smartphone, so let's plug it into a computer. So we have a new drive called ORICO. Although the portable SSD is supposed to be 1 TB, there is actually 953 GB available on computer. We were not able to look at the drive inside, but we can install the program and find out some information about it. So this is a brand new portable SSD with 0 total host reads and 0 total host writes. We can also see capacity of 1024 GB, as well as firmware, serial number, interface, standard, and features. So the ORICO C10 portable SSD uses NVMe 1.4 drive. It is not the latest version, but it is still a good one. Let's check the read and write speeds here. First, the company promises 1000 megabits per second read speed. Indeed, the read speed is 992 megabits per second, and the write speed is 974 megabits per second. And that's very close to the claimed speed. You should realize that the data transfer rate also depends on the port of your device. In fact, this portable SSD supports USB 3.2 Gen 2, USB 3.1 Gen 2, as well as USB 3.0, 3.1 Gen 1, and 3.2 Gen 1. I also noticed that the company promises a high data transfer rate of 1 GB in 1 second. Let's check it out. I will send video files totally 10 GB to a portable SSD. The transfer took about 17 seconds, because the actual data rate was about 630 megabits per second. Not exactly 1 GB in 1 second, but still fast. Thus, the data transfer speed of 1000 megabits per second is confirmed. ORICO C10 is a really fast portable SSD. You know, the latest smartphones don't have a micro SD memory card support, so a portable SSD will be a lifesaver. You can also use it with your computer or a tablet. I also like its compact size and a hook that you can attach to your backpack. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!